RadarOpus allows you to import all your old cases from your radar program. And by cases I mean the saved clipboards. So in the old program Radar, if you do a right mouse click on a clipboard, you could do save the case or recall the case, similar as now, which is called save the analysis or recall the analysis. Now if I recall now the analysis, you will see that there is not much here. But it's possible to import in one go all your old cases. Let me show you. I close this window again. In the left upper corner, I select File, then I go to Import. There are two options. The first one is an analysis from another program. This means one single analysis or one single CAS file. The next option, a folder of analysis from another program. This means a whole range of saved cases. So let me select this one, a folder of analysis from another program. Now with the first option, you can select what you want to import. The first one is Radar Catalog of Cases. By default, in Radar 10, all cases, all clipboards are saved in a so-called catalog. Technically, on the hard disk, those were 4 files. Now, in Windows, you can import a catalog, but on Mac, you can only import single CAS files. So let me show you. So here are Radar Catalog of Cases. This you can do on Windows. And on Windows, you can also import when you have used the method to save every case as a single file on the hard disk. But on Mac, you can only use this option that you import Radar single CAS files. Now, if you're an old Radar user on Windows and are switching to Mac, please let the Radar representative explain you how you can export in one go all your cases to single CAS files. So here I have selected the method Radar single cases. It means single CAS files. Then I need to browse to the location where they are stored. I click on the icon, and in my case I have attached a memory stick, and I've attached a folder called My Radar 10 Cases. I select it and I say choose. Now the other two options, just keep them as they are. The first one not selected and the next one is selected. Then I click on Start Import. Now it takes a while and all cases are imported. Here I'm importing about 2,500 cases which I received from a teacher. So the importation is done and I've imported here 2,257 old Radar 10 cases. I click on OK. Then I can click here directly on Show My Folders. But let me show you in a different way. I close this option now. And here are my clipboards. And I do a right mouse click on one of the clipboards and I say Recall Analysis. Then I go to the second options, Recall and Analysis from a folder. And you see here are all my imported cases, all 2,200 of them. Okay. If, for example, you only want to import from time to time one of your old Radar cases, so you don't want to import all of them, then there's a nice feature to do this. First, in your Radar 10, be sure that you have exported all your cases to single CAS files. Again, you can read about this in the manual or ask your Radar representative to help you in this. Now I click with the right mouse click on a clipboard. I say recall analysis. Then I go to the third option, import an analysis from RadarOpus, Radar 10 or another program. I click on it, and here are two options, an XML or an old CAS file. Now select the option CAS if you want to import only one single CAS file. Now with the Browse button you can navigate to the location where you have stored all your single old Radar 10 cases. The option XML is very nice if you want to exchange your analysis between RadarOpus users. Okay, I think this is it for this video.